Okay, so now we're able to do some core manipulations. Position, size, rotation, with size being the most important thing determining print time. But now we're going to get into some of the printer settings that we're actually responsible for. And those settings are profiles, also called layer height. This is the height of each layer of plastic that's getting extruded or printed out by the printer. Infill percent, how dense or filled in we want the inside of our model to be. Support, whether or not we need support structures to hold up our model as it's printing, and adhesion plate, whether or not we need a raft of plastic around the bottom to hold our print to the plate. We're going to go through these in depth one by one, but a good question to ask is, why do I need to choose these at all? And can't the program just do it for me? But actually, it's a lot like regular printing. Even when you're just printing a document on paper, you still have to tell it whether you want it to print in color or black and white, single or double-sided, portrait or landscape. The content of what you're printing is not changing, but how it's being printed out is. It's the same with printing 3D models. The model itself isn't changing, we're just giving the printer some different instructions on how we want that model to actually come out. So let's go ahead and go into each of these in depth, and we'll start with profiles or layer height.